Forget the microwave. If you really care about popcorn, you know the machine isn't just an appliance. It's an argument about purity versus flavor, health versus indulgence. You can burn it, steam it, or drown it in oil, and each method creates a fundamentally different snack. Today, I am not just testing 4 poppers, but judging 4 different philosophies of popcorn. Let's see which one earns a permanent spot on your counter. The Elite Gourmet doesn't just make popcorn, it puts on a performance. This is a hot oil stirring machine, the closest you'll get to a miniature cinema rig at home. The motorized stirring rod is the critical feature, constantly agitating kernels in hot oil for even heating, and a remarkably low number of unpopped old maids. The corn it produces is classic, hearty, and robust, each kernel fully coated and carrying the flavor of the oil you choose. The 3-quart capacity is substantial, and the 2-in-1 transparent cover/bowl is genuinely clever for serving. However, it's the messiest and most involved option here. You're dealing with hot oil. It requires disassembly and proper washing, and the cleanup is a step above the others. The Presto My Munch is the definition of functional austerity. This hot air popper has one job: to apply intense, focused heat to kernels via a cyclone of air, exploding them with zero fat. The result is the lightest, fluffiest, and driest popcorn possible. It's a blank nutritional canvas, perfect for those counting macros or with dietary restrictions, as you control every gram of oil and salt added after the fact. It's also blazingly fast and absurdly easy to clean. The trade-off is in the eating experience. Without oil during the pop, the flavor doesn't penetrate, it sits on the surface. The texture can verge on styrofoam-like, and its small 8-cup capacity is strictly personal. The Dash Smart Store tries to split the difference between the oil-popped Elite and the air-popped Presto, with a heavy dose of playful aesthetics. It's a miniaturized, simplified hot oil popper with a non-stirring butter melter on top. The idea is charming. Melt your butter while the popcorn pops below. In practice, it's a compromise machine. The butter melter works slowly and often cools before the popcorn is done. Without a stirring mechanism, hot spots are common, leading to a higher rate of burnt or unpopped kernels unless you shake it manually. Its small capacity and stackable Smart Store design are aimed at space-saving convenience over performance. This is the My Munch's serious big brother. It uses the same hot air principle, but scales it up dramatically with a redesigned air chamber and stainless steel restrictors to optimize popping power. The 20-cup yield in under 4 minutes is legitimately impressive for parties or large families. The fountain-like chute that pours popcorn directly into a bowl is iconic and functional. Like its smaller sibling, it produces dry, fluffy, oil-free popcorn and is a breeze to clean. The sheer volume and speed are its raison d'etre. You face the same textural and flavor limitations as all air poppers. This is popcorn as a base ingredient, not a finished, deeply flavored product.